For buying all your components, you'll need a dependable shop. We are going to search the components in Amazon PC Components and Cool Mod. Those are the more secure web pages to buy PC components. Now, once all your components has arrived, it's time to start building the PC. First of all, you are going to put your case horizontally in order to have more commodity for building the PC. For connect the CPU, you need to open the socket with the tiny lever that it has at one side, and then you will align the tiny triangle of the CPU with the tiny triangle that is in the CPU socket, and then you'll connect it carefully.
The next thing you are going to do is inserting the RAM. In the RAM slots there are one or two clips that you'll need to open. Next you are going to align the position of the RAM, and with a little bit of force you'll need to press the RAM. You have to put a little bit of thermal paste for dissipating the heat. Now we are going to put the connector trim to our PC case. Now we will have to screw the motherboard to the case. We are going to accommodate the optical drive and the hard disk drive into their places and screw them. It's time to put and connect the dissipator with the CPU fan. Now you are going to connect the hard drives into the motherboard with SATA cables. The next step is installing and connecting the power supply to all the components that we have put in the case. Once you have connected everything, we are going to screw the power supply into the computer case. The next thing is connecting the frontal panel cables to our motherboard. It is different for every motherboard, so you'll have to take a look at the manual. Now you can try if it works and close the computer case and enjoy it.
And that's all. We hope that you have learned something about building a PC, and thanks for watching.